Google. Let's go get them again.
What's going on, fragrance family? Welcome to the Robezoid channel. I'm your host, Mark. Today we are doing an unboxing and first impression on the brand of Uncle Serge. Now, brand of Serge Lutens. This one, of course, is called Serge Noire. Of course, from the title, you already know. I don't know why, but Serge Noire never piqued my interest when I bought a whole bunch of Serge Lutens fragrances early in my journey. This one is part of 4 Uncle Serge fragrances that I blind bought online from a discounter in Canada that had them for the right price. Right price for me, Serge Lutens, and I go back to my heyday, was when they were 50 mils, under 100 at a discounter. And that's where these fell in. So it was one of the best deals on the internet back in the day, and this was just a reminder of that. So I snatched up those 4. So I got this, I got Couche du Diable, Santal Majuscule, and Verve Oriental, and all of those I haven't smelt. Santal Majuscule, I would say, is probably the one that has the most hype from all of these, but I can't wait to unbox every single one of them. Serge Lutens, Christopher Sheldrake fragrances releases are always something, even though I may not like it, not my taste, I do tend to appreciate them and I do wear them. So I can't wait to unbox them, but the spotlight today is on Uncle Serge's Serge Noire. This one has tons of different reviews online. Like, a lot of people are saying a lot of different things, so it's kind of hard to decipher what you're going to get. Some people go so far of saying that this stuff is really polarizing, which I'm fine with. That's what I come to expect from the brand, actually. So let's do this. And I haven't unboxed the Serge Lutens in a while. This brings back memories, actually. So let's take off the cap here. Okay, so this will be my scent of the day, so I'm going to put it on my skin. I'm freshly showered, I got nothing on my skin, so let's delve into Serge Noire. I like to overspray. Oh. Oh. That is gorgeous. It's spices, cloves, patchouli, cinnamon. Oh man, it has oh my, that's really nice. It's you know when you smell cloves, cinnamon, and those spices and you get really close to them and it has that bite to it? Oh yeah. Oh, it's got something a little funky in the back end of it too. So the first thing that comes to mind right now, this is warm, comforting, making me think of, I'm going to wear this around Thanksgiving. I'm going to wear it around Christmas time. It has that red hot cinnamon, like red hot, you know those little candies that you get at Valentine's Day? Those little, yeah. It's got that, but it almost has like a cumin-like funk to it. And some people say that it smells like charred wood. Yeah, it really does. Patchouli heavy too. So it has that greenness. This is a big fragrance. This is a good one. Wow. And it just made me realize that I've gone so long without this release in my collection. Like, this is right up there with some of the better Uncle Serge releases out there, the older ones. This reminds me of that. Man, that spice is, oh, it bites. But I like that. So cinnamon, cumin-ish kind of funk, a little bit. Patchouli, definitely. It's got some woody aspects too, like charred wood. That's kind of like the red hot cinnamon, camphorous, patchouli. It's green, it's Christmassy. It has lots of spice. It has a little funk to it. I like this. I really like this one. Funny that I ignored this one. Maybe, I don't know why, but this is really good. So if you're a fan of Uncle Serge fragrances, yeah, right now, obviously it's an early impression, but you know, it's not, you know, top 5 for me, but it's in that realm. Like it's beautiful. God, those spices really invigorate you, and that camphorous patchouli type of feel really works well. So at the end of the day, a really good blind buy. Like, I'm surprised how, maybe I shouldn't be, but I'm surprised how good this is. This is really good. You gotta like your spices. I think the heavy notes here, cloves, cinnamon, your patchouli, camphorous, if you like that kind of stuff, you know, Christmassy almost. No, that's nice. And it has like a, it's not smoky like some people say charred wood, and I agree with that, without the smoke, if that makes sense. Anyway, now that you heard my take, I'd love to see yours in the comments below about this release. It's not, and again, it's not a sexy release from Uncle Serge. A lot of people go with the more popular ones. But if you have like at least a dozen Serge Lutens fragrances like I do, and you just bypass this one like I did, I'm here to tell you, maybe you should get your nose on this. This is an interesting release. Yet as always, a greater pour fragrance will make a lasting impression. Choose your scent wisely. Thanks for watching. On to the next one.